Hi, Kamakshi.
Hello.
Nothing. So, uh, yesterday, if we can quickly have a recall what we have covered how to introduce a new column. Okay. So, yesterday, mostly we have tried with a hard-coded, the column with a hard-coded data, just like putting a value as column name. Okay. After that, we used some of the functions on top of date, the functions on top of string data type, the functions on top of numeric data. So this kind of functions we have introduced, and based on different calculation, we can also introduce new column. Okay. So today we'll be learning a new thing, that is conditional statement. So for the existing column inside the table, we can put some conditions and we can create a new column. I think Ramya, you are also asking, without doing hard coding, what are the other ways we can put the columns value. Okay, just one more thing. Let me take the own table again. Our old table, that is the employee. So just a quick recap, Indu. So this is our database, MySQL database. We are working over here. MySQL is a free source database. We have downloaded it. We have installed in our machine. All of us have installed it, and we are doing the hands-on part over here. We have created this database schema called Teradata training for this training purpose. Inside there, in the table section, we have created multiple tables for the demonstration. As of now, we are taking employee table. We started doing all the demonstration by this table. So we're just going ahead with this table only. So this is our table called employee. Employee table is having those many columns: employee ID, employee first name, employee last name, experience, salary, department, date of birth. Okay. So we created the table. We have done multiple operations on top of this table. And now we are covering the conditional column creation. How to create a conditional column. Okay. First of all, let me show one more thing. If I just want to create any column without data, so just like we can just do null, the same thing. Yesterday we have done something hard coded as column name. So you can just put null as column name. Okay. Just you can put city, null as city. So a new column has been introduced, but I haven't put any data over there. Maybe if we run any update statement in later state, we can quickly insert this record. As of now, okay, I have put null inside city column. Let's create a conditional statement now. Conditional statement means let's categorize the entire data set based on experience. Okay, let's create a experience range column. Experience range column. The value of the experience range should be such like, if the experience is between more than 10 years, anyone's experience is more than 10 years, then we can tell them as highly experienced. Okay. If someone is having the experience between 5 years to 10 years, 5 to 10, then we can just tell mid-level experience or medium experienced. Okay, anything. After that, if anyone is having 2 to 5 years, we can tell them low experienced. And else less than 2 should be freshers. We can put it freshers. They have joined new, they need more training to get promoted in the same company. So let's just start with this way. Okay. So how to do that? The new column should be contained, the new column name should be this, and the condition we will be putting on top of experience, and we can derive this column. How to do that? Okay, select start from comma. Comma means I'll be introducing the new column over here. Okay, so here we can use a case statement. Case when experience greater than equal 10. I'm just taking greater than equal 10. If anyone is having 10 or more than 10, we can tell there should be another keyword called then. Okay. Now put the value highly experienced. Okay. Putting the next statement in, I'm just put enter for my convenience. When experience greater than equal 5 and experience less than 10, then just I'm putting medium experience. When experience greater than equal, let me put a space over there just for beautification. Okay, nothing else. Okay, 2 and experience less than 5, then low experienced. And last I can also put when, otherwise we can just put else. Else means all the other conditions. Else, no need to put then, and the else statement, else freshers, fresher. Okay, this is the condition. Now I need to end this get statement. End keyword should be there, end, and the entire logic should be there inside a column. So I need to alias the column as the column name, experience, range, or just like this. I'm just introducing this new column. Okay, so this is our new column. End as experience range means the same thing, null as column name. So the condition is there. I'm ending this condition over here, aliasing it as new column. Okay, let's run it. Yes, so you can see a new column has been introduced, which will be populating based on the experience over here. 6 means medium experience, to low experience, 16 highly experienced. So whatever we have put, we can see it's really reflecting properly. Okay, we do not have any freshers. So we all have the experience minimum 2 years as of now, as per my data set. Yes. Okay. It's clear for everyone. Conditional data set. Conditional select statement. Derived column. This is a derived column. Okay, Ramya, are you asking for this one in yesterday session or any other thing? You want to populate a new column in any other way?
No, I was asking, like if we want to just change a single row, so let's say I want to change for employee ID 112, I want to change that one value, then what do we use, like update or alter?
Okay, alter is a DDS statement. Obviously, we should not be using. Yeah, we can use update statement anytime to change any particular cell's value. Okay.
Yeah.
Update statement, update table name, set experience range equals this, where employee ID equals this. So this thing we can do. We can create a null column, then we can change the thing by update statement. There will be no issue. We already learned it. Okay. It should be update statement only.
Yeah.
Okay. The next topic is analytic function. It's also a new, if we just going to introduce a new column using analytic function, those are also called Windows function. So let's introduce this topic. This is very, very important, as well as those things can be asked in interviews as well. What is analytic function? So those three kind of analytic function that will be introduced over here. The purpose of the three is almost same, but a bit different from each other. Row number, rank, and dense rank. Row number, rank, dense rank.
I have one question, sorry.
Yeah. Tell me, definitely.
So the conditional column that you explained before.
Yeah.
Can we also do that from different tables? Like between the tables, can we create a column?
Yeah.
Like
If we
taking the
just go ahead with
condition from.
joining stuff, suppose I'm joining between two tables. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm picking
Yeah.
up. Yeah, I can definitely do that. Join. We can merge everything. It's a good
Okay.
question. Yeah. Just like whatever
No,
I told in the previous day, we can join the thing on top of the data set. We can do order by clause, group by clause. So definitely we can do condition statement on
okay.
top of that too. Yeah, you were
So
telling
not
something else.
yeah, sorry about that. So not by joining, but for example, let's see this experience column is in a different table. Okay. And I want to add
No, you need to
my
do the join first. Otherwise, it will
okay,
not
okay.
get the
I
experience
see.
column. You need to join it.
Okay. Okay, got
Okay.
it. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, if it is not there, you need to pull the data set first. Okay, let me show you with an
Mhm.
example.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, employee detail is having employee ID. Let me check. Employee ID is there. Hmm. Employee ID, employee age. Okay, let's do some conditional things on top of employee age. Okay, employee age is there in employee detail table. It's not there in main employee table. Okay, employee detail we have used in for joining purpose. We learned yesterday. Let's take this table. So in this table, I'll be picking up age. So if I just do this age, I'm just replacing experience by age. So just the condition should be age is greater than 10, highly experienced. That is the thing. Sorry, age. Okay, I have updated everything. If I just quickly run it, it will throw the error. Unknown column age. Because from employee is the table, it's not able to find age column from this table. So what I can do, I can have a
So,
quick join.
quick question. Without joining, I was just curious. Can we do like employee underscore detail dot age?
No.
Can
I
we?
cannot do this
No.
thing. No,
Okay. Okay.
I need to call the table first. Otherwise, I
Mm.
cannot introduce the table. Let me show you the same thing to you. We can try everything. We have the SQL editor. Why it's not copying? The system is not doing copying. Let me try once more time. Yes. Okay. I'm just doing this thing. Unknown column employee detail dot age. Okay. So I need to join it. Otherwise, that is the purpose of join, to bring up columns from other table. That is the only purpose of join. Okay. I'm joining this thing. Okay. I'm not aliasing anything. Based on employee ID, you can join because employee ID is common column. Employee ID and over there, what is the name? It's the same name. Emp ID. Okay. Employee on employee dot emp id equal emp detail dot emp id. Now what is the issue? Employee detail age field. Now it should not be occurring. Let me check. Employee detail, employee ID. Which is there. Let me just quickly comment out this thing. Okay. One more thing. What is commenting out? Commenting out means if I just want something not been executable over here, that is called commenting out. So I'm just commenting this thing out, this portion. Okay. I'm running this thing. Select star from this. Okay. Select star from employee. Okay. Aim page was there, not only age. That is the difference. Done. First of all, there is no matching record between these two tables. Here employee ID starting with 1, 2, 3 and employee table employee ID starting with 101, 102 and 103. So that is why no matching column is there. So we should not be having any records. Okay. I just change employee age to all the tables. Let me run this thing. Star, comma. Those are the case statement. Just I updated experience age instead of experience. Employee age instead of experience. Okay, fine. Let me run it. Yes, it's running fine. No issue. But in the joining condition, there is no matching records between this table's employee and this table's employee. Did you get it? Because the table is having employee ID starting from 101, three digit employee ID. But in employee detail, we have. Okay, let me just insert a new
Can
column.
we, sorry, on
Yeah,
the
tell me.
same above thing, can we do full join so it will pull all the records?
Sorry, can you please a bit louder?
I'm sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay. On the above query that you just ran, can we do full join on that so we will get records from both the tables?
Yeah. That thing we can definitely do. But I
Okay.
mean, let me just quickly insert something over here. That should be helpful. Okay. Yeah, I can also do full join. Let me just insert into table employee detail. Okay. 101. I think 101 is having some record. Let me run it. No. Okay, let me do a full join, but let me check what is there in employee table. Okay, 111. Okay, now it should be having one record. Okay. Yeah, you are telling about full join. No issue, you can do that definitely. But the data should not be looking good actually. Full join, it is happening, unknown column employee ID.
I think
Join.
this is because we are trying to get emp
Employee.
underscore age from employee table and not employee emp underscore detail table, is it?
No,
On the
employee ID,
row
employee ID is
5, yeah, row
employee ID
5
is there
in
for
the
all the
big.
column. Unknown column employee ID. On clause. Yeah, it should not be the error actually. Let me pull one more. but for join, it's fine. Left join, it is also fine. We have only one record. But full outer join, what is the issue? Outer keyword also, it's not taking. Outer keyword, it's not taking. Okay, it's not actually unknown column employee dot emp ID. It's already there, but it's getting unknown column in on clause.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
okay.
On clause, it not required.
Okay. It's automatically taking common
Correct.
column between both
Correct.
tables then. Okay.
It's just doing a cross join for full outer join. Okay. For each of the row, you can see all the things have been repeated for the second table. Okay, it's working as it's not exactly full outer. It's
Yeah.
full outer, obviously, but it's working as a cross join too. Okay, I'll be just checking this thing and I'll let you know on that one. Okay,
Yeah.
but the thing is,
Yeah, no problem. I
the
was just
particular
curious. Thank you.
queries, we need to definitely join between two tables to bring up
Mhm.
the extra column from the another table. Otherwise, it will fail. So join is the only purpose for pulling columns from different table. So first we need to pull all the tables. So first do a select start. Let's see whether all the columns have been pulled. Yes, then please go ahead with the joining clause. Okay. This thing I'll be definitely checking with you. It's doing a cross join. Nothing, I mean, the full outer join is working as a cross join over here too. But for full join, they're not expecting any on clause. I'll be just checking this topic and I'll be coming back with you. So they're just expecting the query, not any join, not only, I mean, on basis of any particular column ID. They just try to join between only two tables without any column ID. So it's basically a cross join. Okay. But full outer join is having a different, theory. It should not be in these cases. For MySQL, maybe they are taking into consideration full outer join should be a cross join. But general cases, it should not. Okay. It's a cross join only over here in this case. We are not joining on top of any column. For each of the individual column, there should be one for each of the individual row from the first table, one particular row from the second table is appearing over here. It's cross join. Okay. If we just do not put any join itself, not putting any on, and run it, it should be working as a cross join. Okay. So the cross join syntax is this. We should not be putting any on statement. Just join this thing. So it's same for full, full, if we can put left without putting any on clause, just it is a cross join, nothing different. Okay. So that is why you can also put cross join over here. Okay. So if we do not run with on, it should be a cross join. So full outer join, it's not properly done over here. I'll be checking and I'll let you know on that. Okay.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So our next topic is analytic function. In the analytic function, what I was telling, row number rank, dense rank. So I'm just deleting the new column that we have introduced over here. Okay. I think it's not required for anyone. Okay. And the join is also not required. Just like we need join if we just want to pull any new columns from any other table, then join is required. So select star from employee. It's fine. I'm just going to basic one. This thing is not required. I'm deleting. Okay. So suppose we have the requirement based on the experience, please do a rank column. Okay. The most experienced person should be ranked 1 and the least experienced person should be higher rank. Okay. This type of ranking function we need to introduce and that can be done by all of this, but a bit different. What is the difference? The difference thing is also very important. And let's see one by one. Let's start row number. I'm introducing row number. I'm determining the rank based on experience with the help of row number function. So just put row number over is a keyword. Put braces inside that order by experience. So based on experience, I'm ordering the data set and I'll be giving a rank on top of that. So select star row number this and let's put a alias. Suppose rank EMP, RN key EMP. This is the new column. Let's run it. Okay, you can see it's been sorted based on experience and I'm just putting a rank. But the ranking system is a bit different. I should have to put the most experienced person as rank 1. So over here I need to sort it descending manner. So just like the same command, while using order by clause, order by experience descending DSC, row number over order by experience descending. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, now it's fine. This person is having higher experience, so he's rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10. Now the question may arise. Okay, now here is the question of why we introduce rank and dense rank. We are doing row number and we are definitely get the ranking thing, but why need to introduce rank and dense rank? First of all, you can see there are two person having the same experience, 6, 6. This person 2, 2, 2 is having the same experience. So why we are discriminating this? Those are same experience 6, 6. We are giving any someone is having 5 rank, 5th rank. But here someone is having 6th rank. So this row number function, when they are getting the same value over here, they will be checking which particular row has been inserted first in the table. So we have inserted individual rows one by one. It will be checking what particular rows has been inserted first. So it will be giving rank, higher rank to that particular rows. So this is the concept row number is working. Okay, but this should not be the ideal scenario. Correct. So experience based on tables entry, database entry, we should not be judging any particular person's rank. So that is why rank has been introduced. Let me take rank instead of row number. The same thing, same representation, rank, put open brace, close brace. Over is a keyword, rank over, then order by on top of that particular column. Whether it should be ascending or descending based on our requirement, we can determine it. So this is the new column structure as new column name. Okay, let's run it. Rank. So we have based on experience, we have put the rank. Now let's see. 6, 6 experience is having 5, 5 rank. Means by rank function, we are giving same rank between two. Having same experience, we are giving same rank. Okay, but now the thing is, you can see while using rank function, we are losing some ranking points. Means we are using 5 ranks over here, but the ranking system is losing 6th rank because they already assigning 5 ranks to different people. So they are losing 6th rank. So this is a setting of ranking function. It's not a issue actually based on different ranking system. Suppose in Olympics game, you can see someone uh, is holding two. I mean, in the Olympics there should be one first position, that is gold medalist, second position silver medalist, and third position bronze medalist. Suppose two persons own joint gold medal. That means two rank one. Okay, and then they need to omit one particular position, maybe silver position or maybe bronze position. Recently in a high jump, I just checked, two joint persons own single gold medal. I mean, two different gold medal. There was no silver medalist and there was one bronze medalist. So in this kind of ranking systems is this rank. So when they're assigning two ranks to different bodies, then they're omitting one ranking points. Okay, suppose in this scenario, they're keeping 222 as 888 rank. So when suppose someone is having 1 years of experience, after this, I haven't inserted any new row, but someone is having 1 year's experience. Then for there are 3, 8, so it's 8, 9, 10. So if we having 1 year's experience, their rank should be 11. Okay, they will be losing rank for 9, 10. So this is how rank function should work. Based on the points are based on the ranking system, we need to determine which rank function we need to use. Similarly, totally different and opposite thing is dense rank. Okay. We will not be losing any ranking points over here. I just changed from rank to dense rank. You can see 6, 6 having 5, 5, but we are not losing any rank. After that, I will be giving 6 ranking points, just like any board exam. Suppose CBSE, ICSE, there may be multiple persons getting rank 1 or rank 2, but we are not losing the third rank. Okay, this might be in our questions. So we have limited number of prizes, maybe 10 prizes are there. So how we can put multiple persons, maybe 5 persons in rank 2, then we have, one person's in rank 1, 5 persons in rank 2. We have already 6 people over here. So how I can accommodate my 10 prizes? So that is why in CBSE, ICSE board, you can see, so multiple persons are getting the same rank, but we are not losing any ranking points. There are no limitation of prizes. Okay. You can also see, am I correct? Did you check it? Maybe the same concept can be raising in your point as well. How different people can be holding a same rank. Okay, so 20 people is having 10th rank. 30 people is having 9th rank in board examinations. 10th result or 12th result, when the results are being declared, we can see multiple people are having one rank, but we are not losing any ranking points. So based on different position, how many positions I'll be giving, we can use either rank or dense rank. This is different ranking system. Okay, one more thing. So this is clear for everyone, the difference between row number, rank, and dense rank. Is it clear for everyone? Okay.
Can you, sorry, tell the difference between rank and dense rank again? I did not understand
Okay, let
why
me repeat.
in rank the number 6 was skipped, right? Yeah, sorry.
I'm doing rank.
Thank
So,
you.
6 years of experience, they are putting 5th rank. Okay. Just we are ordering it 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 6 years experience are there, so they are receiving 5th rank. Okay, 2 5s are there. As 2 5th ranks are allotted over here, we are losing one ranking point, that is 6th. We can see 6th, we are losing it because we have limited number of prizes. So as per my prize list, top 10 people will be getting ranking points. That is why
నువ్వు చపాతీలు అక్కడ అందరు ఉన్నారు మనం తీసుకోపోతే
So,
బాగుండదని రెండే
if-
తెచ్చిన
just quick
ఆ
question,
చిట్టకే
sorry.
కాలుస్తుంది అగడబడ్డట్టు
So, if
Bharti, can
తీసుకోపోతుందని
you please
అనుకుంటా.
be on mute?
sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah. Thanks, Bharti. Yeah, Kamakshi, tell me.
So let's say we have row number 120, okay? Just example. So row
Row
number
number
120,
120.
just
120.
example, one more
Okay,
row we
okay,
have
fine,
in
fine,
the
fine.
end.
Yeah.
So then we will get 8, 9, 10, 11 on the end. Rank experience as 11.
Yeah, if that row number is having experience
Yeah.
1, then it should
Yeah.
be, yes, we are losing 8, 9 and 10 ranking, we are losing, then 11 should be there. Correct.
Okay. Okay.
If this
Yeah,
is
I
2
was
again,
just, yeah.
then it should be
Mhm.
8. If this is 1, then that should be
Yeah.
11. Correct.
Yeah. Got it.
And for
Okay.
10th
Yeah.
rank, we are not
I'm
losing
clear
any
now.
rank point. So
Yeah.
that ranking should be staying there.
Yeah, I'm clear now. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Now a new concept I'll be just going to introduce. Suppose the department can oppose the ranking system. So the department can tell how that several department can be having the same ranking system. It's a valid question. So IT people will be telling that just put the ranking system between only IT people. Okay, BPO people will tell just put the ranking system only within BPO people. Why I'll be competing with other departments people? Okay, it's a valid question. So for that scenario, we need to introduce partition by a new field. Over here inside the bracket, let's introduce partition by which column? Top of department column. If we just put this thing, the entire data set will be partitioned based on department. Just I think we have learned for group by, it's kind of same. We will be grouping the data set based on department. That is also called partition. We'll be partitioning the data set based on department, and after that we will be imposing the rank. Let's run the query, then you can get the output. Okay, so we have partitioned the database based on department. You can see the department are grouped together: BA, BPO, BUIT, only single BUIT persons, 2 HR, 3 IT. So it's based on alphabetical order, they have sorted it out. And for 2 BAs, we are giving ranking systems. For 2 BPOs, we are giving ranking systems. For 1 BUIT, we are only one person is there, so he should be obviously rank 1. He or she, Shweta, then HR, 2 HRs are there, they are having their own ranking system. And IT people are having their own ranking system. It's similar for all the ranking system, but the range rank should be working if, partition by concept is just like partitioning the data set based on different column. We can put multiple column names by putting comma over here. But as of now, I am doing the partition based on only one column called department. And each of the department, I'm introducing the rank. Okay, so that is why the ranking systems works actually. We can introduce all the things, rank, 10th rank, row number, but those in the same department we have the same experience, then we can have the change over there. But as of now, if we introduce row number, rank, 10th rank, there will be no change because we can see there is no duplicate of experience for each of the department. Okay, it's clear for everyone. There will be no difference for if we just introduce row number, because as I mentioned, in a single department we do not have duplicate experienced people. You can see IT, there are three different people. If we just introduce one new row having IT experience with two experience, then we can see the difference using row number. But the concept is clear for everyone, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I hope yes for everyone. Okay. So we are almost end of DQL topic. DQL we have started maybe 2 or 3 days earlier. It took a long days to be completed, but it's on basic level. I'll be trying to introduce some more examples while doing some hands-on part, maybe an exercise or some more thing that should be intermediate or advanced levels of things. Okay, one more thing I just missed, concept of dummy table. What is dummy table? Dummy table is one kind of table over here. It's not residing inside the database. Inside the database, you can see we have this many table as of now in my database, data training. Okay. So if I just, what is dummy table then? So it's a temporary table just for our calculation purpose. The table is having only one row, one column. That means only one element. Let me select one from dual. Dual is the dummy table's name. So you can see one row, one column. Just for our calculation purpose. Suppose I want to do some calculation. Suppose 6 plus 7. I'm doing this calculation. It's very simple calculation. Maybe I have to do multiple or complex calculation. Maybe I'm doing some percentage or just like this kind of thing. So I can quickly introduce the thing, or I can check the calculation over here. And when my calculation is ready, I can introduce that column. Even I can eliminate this dual as well. Select this. It should also work. By default, it is doing the thing in dummy. So dummy table is nothing but having a temporary set of row and column. Just for our calculation purpose, we can use this kind of thing. We have used current date. Suppose anyone wants to do some operation on top of current date. Suppose someone is doing whether the current date is leap year or not. They are trying to invent a logic. Okay. So they are trying to invent a logic or introduce the logic of leap year, whether it's a leap year or not leap year. So they can extract the year from current date and they can put the condition case when this is greater than this or this, then they can introduce a column. So this kind of a simplification or rough work they can do over here. And when that thing is confirmed, they can put it into the main query. So this is concept of dummy table. Just for theoretical purpose, you can have this knowledge. This is called dummy table is having single row just for our calculation purpose. Okay. So we have started with DDL. It's completed. DML. It's completed. DDL is for table structures, creation, alteration of any tables. DML, insertion or deletions, updatation of existing row, existing records. We have covered. DQL is varieties of visualization that we covered the last 3 or 4 days. Okay. Now I'll be quickly covering DCL and TCL. For the database engineers or maybe database or developers purpose, this is not very important actually. This is very small topic, especially DCL. DCL is mainly used by the DBAs, database administrator. In each of the project, you can see there must be some DBAs who are owning the databases. They're controlling the accesses, revoking the access of different people's access or various developers access. They're granting some access, revoking some access. So they're running this kind of query called DCL. Okay, grant permission, revoking permission to grant particular database access. Okay, so this is the main keyword, grant and revoke. I'll not be going detail with DCL. TCL, we need some experience on TCL. It's called transaction control language. Let me just quickly go through this topic. Okay. So especially when we are doing any DML statements execution. So main changes in the database should be on top of DDL and DML. DQL is just for visualization purpose of the table selection. But the main things are getting updated. The database size, the table's length, the table's column length, everything can be. The database is getting updated only by executing DDL and DML statement. Okay. If we run any DQL statement, we can see in the backend the database size. There is no increase, no decrease, nothing. But if we just insert 2 or 3 rows, we can see the backend file. Suppose this particular table is being stored in some location, correct? Employee detail is locating in a particular location in my system. What is the thing? In C drive, in that particular location where I have installed MySQL database, employee detail is being stored within this file. IBD. .ibd is the file extension. empdetail.ibd is the file extension. So this file can be increased if we insert new records or if I introduce new columns there. So by DDL and DML execution, this will change. Here you can see the latest update time. Yesterday I have created that table. So this is last update time, last create time. Okay. So now let me tell you, while learning the TCL, transaction control language means transaction means over here DML statement, any row insertion, any row updatation, any row deletion. Those are different transaction inside the database. Okay. So DDLs, okay. In TCL there are 3 options we can do: commit, save point, rollback. Commit is one of the most important thing. Let me quickly tell you what is commit. Commit means save. Whatever I am doing the work, we have to save it. So DDL statements are auto committed. If we just run any DDL statement, those are auto committed. We do not have to save it separately. Okay, it will automatically save into database. But DML statement, it's not auto committed for all the databases. We have the options as well. From the settings of this database, we can make it auto committed for DML statement too. But specifically DML statement, some of the developers, some of the users, they don't want the DML to be auto committed. So they help us to commit. Whenever we'll be doing any new transaction, means any DML execution, we can commit this. Means we can save this. How to do that? There is a commit option over here, this button, or we can simply execute commit. Commit is a keyword. You can execute, just select it and run it. Okay, select and run it. This is commit. I haven't do any transaction, but today let's do a transaction. Okay, I completed a transaction in employee detail table. Let's select start from doing a transaction to show you with a practical experience. Select start from employee. Let's introduce a new. Okay, let's introduce or let's update the experience of the last row from 6 to 7. I'm updating this experience to 7. Okay, I'm not inserting new columns. Update employee set exp equals 7, where id. This is a DML statement. We learned this the second or third day in SQL class. I hope you can remember it. So update employee table, set experience equals 7, where employee ID is 201. Means I'm updating this thing to 7. Let's run it. It successfully ran. Let's select the table. I haven't committed it yet. I made a transaction recently, but I didn't commit it yet. Okay, this thing is updated. If suddenly the database goes down or I lose the instance where I have worked, I closed it. I'm re-logging inside the database. Let's check it. You can see the transaction has gone. So to save any transaction, each point of transaction, we have to commit this operation. Okay. Either we can commit. Okay, it's 7. Let's commit it. I'm committing it from here. I have committed it. I can also commit it from here. Just to clicking on this button. Anything. While clicking it backend, it will be executing commit. Nothing. So commit is just nothing but saving the transaction. The recent transaction till what you want to save. Okay. The next point, save point and rollback. Save point is a kind of similar kind of things as commit. What is save point? Okay. So same thing. Save point will be helping us different temporary saving point. Suppose I want to update this experience to 8 now. Okay. It's updated to 8. Okay. Let's save this instance, that particular database instance to a save point called save point. Although I'm not committing anything. I'm just saving this temporary tables instance into a save point. That is called save point. Save point S1. So that particular instance has been saved in save point S1. But I haven't committed it yet. I'll not be committing anything as of now, because if I commit it, then nothing for save point. Save point is a temporary thing. I can omit this thing as well. I do not need that save point. I can omit it. How to do that, I'll be telling. So now let's check. Yes, that thing has been updated to it. Let's do another update. Suppose experience, this experience should be 6. Okay. 6. 118. Employee ID 118. Save point S2. I'm saving this instance save point in S2. Let's check. Now we have all the save, whatever I have saved it, it's there. Now I don't want a particular save point. I just want, I just think about, that particular changes what I have done over here, that is not required. Okay, but I need this one. So this save point, I can delete it by rollback statement. Roll back to this save point. So that thing should be omitted. How to do that? Just we have to roll back to AS1. If I just execute it, then it will be losing this change.
Sorry, quick question.
Yeah.
So save point S1 you saved, right? You made an instance of it. So can we see that? Like, can we call S1 and check where the experience is 8, and can we call S2 and check experience is 6? Or we are saving these instances, how can we check them back?
No. As of now, we cannot check it in database backend. We need to save it.
Okay.
S1, S2. No, we cannot check it. But we can recall. We have to recall actually this thing while doing the rollback part.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the thing. We need to recall this thing while doing the rollback so that we can go ahead with the rollback thing. Now rollback has been happened. It's 5 now. So I can, if required, I can commit at this point, means till S1 it will be committed. Okay. This is the main thing. Any doubt now? I mean, this is just transaction control languages, especially used for any, suppose we are developing any billing part. Suppose in a particular counter, shopping outlet, okay, someone is purchasing something, and I mean the particular the particular person who is owning that counter, she is just scanning the barcode and telling this is the price, or just like this is the thing that we are including into the cart. Okay. So suppose one particular item is not required, so they will be rolling back the previous, till the previous calculation they have made. So this kind of rollback, I mean in the back end, this kind of thing will be triggered there. Okay. So that is the usage of save point and rollback. Is this clear for everyone? Okay. So that is called transaction control language. It's nothing, I mean, no big thing. As of now, for developer purpose, we should use only commit. Commit has been useful, but although I have checked nowadays, all the DMLs are also auto committed. So even none of this has been used in in nowadays. If we are using any OLTP or OLAP, any queries over there, all the things are auto committed. Okay. So TCL is, very less usage nowadays. All the database are auto commit. And DCL that I have mentioned, that is specially been handled by the DBA team, database administrator. This has been used for granting and revoking privileges. So they can use grant role to the particular user, grant role to user. This kind of command they can execute in the database. They will specially follow the administration. Okay. So users and privileges. They'll be giving someone access. So add account. They'll be giving a new user, apply. Okay. Okay, I have to give them a password and all. And after that, I need to grant them accesses. So they will be controlling this thing. But from the database purpose, I should be having access only this thing. I can see only this part. As I have installed this database in my system, so I am the DB of the databases as well as I am the developer as well. So just like for root, I have give the local host. Root is having all the, it's the admin as well. But I have also created one new user called Soptic as per my name. This one for practice purpose. Okay, it's also root, but a bit different. So just I forgot the password for this one. No, the same password. No, it's the same instance. But I can create a new instance for anyone by this one. But now none of the person will be saving. Just working in the same computer, because I have hosted the server in my local computer. No one will be using the same thing. If anyone is using the same thing, I can create several service account password for that person and give the instance. Suppose I am giving them access only a particular schema. They will not be able to find those schemas. Okay. So that is the reason how grant and revoke works. Okay, but as of now, as a database developers or database engineer, we should not, have the much scope on top of DCL too. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today's session. So tomorrow, okay, let me, okay, I'll request you, I provided two examples there. Two exercise, one exercise, I think. In the SQL exercise 1, there is one topic. So Ramya has sent me those answers by mail, but none of you have shared. I just told that time to create table and only create table and insert the record from this Excel sheet. Just do these things. So step 1 has been completed, but none of you just completed it. Please complete all the thing. As of now, we learned all the thing. Rama, you can also try to cover the rest of the parts. Merging, how you can merge the table. Let's do it in your own way. We will be definitely solve it in our class, maybe in tomorrow's session. Okay. Do you have all the, do you have that exercise sheet to everyone?
Yeah, it is available in the group, right? WhatsApp group.
Yeah. But whoever doesn't have, let me just put it over there. Maybe who have joined late, or maybe say someone missed it. So I'll be just putting this thing again. Try to solve all the answers. 2, 3, 4. This is nothing but a simple code. SQL language should be there. Only one select query for each of the statement. Okay. It's for aggregation. Do merge first, then do the aggregation. Over here, the same thing. There is something different kind of merging part. Just read it and try to sort it out. It's not a big deal. Just whatever we have learned over here, based on that, the exercise is there. But only bulk insert I haven't told you till yet. I'll be telling you maybe tomorrow's session. So that is why Rama, I checked in your sheet what you have shared in my mail ID. You have inserted the row by putting single insert statement each time.
Yeah, right. So I was about to check it in the Google. So yeah, I'll update it and send it to you again
Sure.
after
Try
finishing
it.
all
Try
the.
it.
Mhm.
Yeah, but it's for everyone. Please try this thing. Bharti, Indu, Kamakshi. Yeah,
Yes,
Kamakshi, please try it.
yeah, I'll try that. Sure.
Should I put this question again, or it is there for everyone? In WhatsApp group, I have already posted it. Okay, let me repost it again. I'm just going to repost it. Okay, I'm reposting it, and please try to solve and send me by mail ID so that I can share individual response. Okay, and tomorrow I'll be just quickly sorting it out. I'll be just going ahead with some more topics in SQL actually. Especially we have focused on mainly tables part, view, materialized views, those things we'll be quickly covering. And after that, if we have some time, we can quickly cover up those exercises. Okay. After that, maybe 1 or 2 more days with some advanced exercise I'll be giving to you to solve it. And then we'll be covering up the SQL part, and we'll be starting the new course. The Python and the business intelligence topics. Most probably it should be starting from next week, mid of the next week. Okay. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.